who just wants to get married into John Obi Mikel's family, because then my life is sorted. And then you start looking after this guy. Before you know it, you're looking at them, where is it?
You're on less than them.
Exactly. They keep having so many kids, and you're looking at, okay, you're having this much kids, who's going to look after them? It's you.
The culture that they expected you to do that.
For them, you owe them that. So sometimes you have to be strong and say, you know what, guys, enough is enough. I don't care. They give you this thing whereby, if you don't do it, we're going to go to the press.
Ooh.
Wow.
Man, what, did you have them conversations?
Yeah. What? After all I've done for you guys. But this happens a lot.
To all the players, a lot of the players.
In Africa, I'm telling you.
Until no ya command John Obi Mikel Abomo dia baba be diche bibrema zobobo no na baba benyeska una obro baska no enya onko awo de na ye wabusua bebra sika na ba no afre ne e ba betro ne ma ba kumiru bia ewrama ya na mwazu bonze o wa na nuaba akwakofa papa hwepa ni bi no de na ba one na wai na vo ma wo prekesen obiza se na nkwada we wan na be hwe omo se wo a omo bisa ade na wanya mfa mo a na fa busua na ye so omo yiwa ma omo do ba man senchofo aba be ka so okra no onto no ho hwe wabusuafo ne ade sikana ba no afre na baba onzo sana me ma me kra ni we no ne baba ko ni luta ba ko nso no eni ne no sechira mankwa ba ko nso ne nanado na jeze didi dim sa te bibrema no o se footballers no niema bebra omo eni na namu ano na ne no John Obi Mikel Abomode a o share experience na aboama biebia akoye kama party mi era man era so ejamo the World Cup qualifier na no pa luta baba be din komo etimi ere ma wo comebo omo qualifier na erom no na mama me Vinicius Junior tackle na yere call Vinicius so a ere akọ nyakwa kofa pra no etimi ere ba amama de bobo ko na so she kakra etimi ere rom ni nyina nzemra game no wambo anwie ntu join attack no o ze ne nan no nya insurance wo yi a emu etimi atwe na ama no aye die papa ese ne ye bo modern test na like so no so beba aba be rom body bi ba sana fe no ye resere to tuero etiete na nra after the game no Hendrik said luta din command panel cho no ebo ne first game e ma Brazil minor wababa kasa se ni niaje si a man sa kwenya na ne deso no abama waba ababa be jama bo ma bibia ekọ yusoro etimi ma Brazil minor na game ba ko so wa Argentina wo mra mo ani Uruguay minor etimi ere bo ani no Manuel Ugarte obo adwuma etimi edema PSG boboko no ekọ ya dibi di che ene ina jeze Rodrigo de Paul enam so ma bufuo kakra etimi be ani na ene ze azo ka che Rodrigo de Paul ze mze Messi bodyguard ne boy sem no enya de so tu hwe sign no ye na azo sheda de ne nsa ne kona che na ozo e saka ye Messi saka ye out the game no Messi bo mo di nkomo se niema Uruguay de baba be ye no enya de se twa ye na wo se nkomo sua bibi eri film na fo mu se du bebi a ye won painful game ni ma wo betimi asua bibi netimi refi omo ntini na no enkomo didi no so etimi adi ram ya bomode na ye di eram na boana tutu na koye kama pa etimi edi amana hyehyɛ no etimi adadi na UEFA ana Euro 2024 qualifier no na Manchester ekoko so no yenre ne yambobo so kama pa etimi afama ne result a etimi eram no sere no so esi akọ nyakọkọ ye nra eno Cyprus man no ehye ba kuma Spain ebo mo miensa Georgia hye no Scotland so etimi ehye mo mie no ena fe no Azerbaijan mo ebo miensa ma Sweden so etimi anhye bi Estonia anhye bi Austria ekoko bom mie na Bulgaria ebo mie no Hungary man no ebo mie no Montenegro ehye mie no ma Lithuania etimi antena fe Leicester man no etransfer mo so anhye bi ma Portugal ekoko bom eka mie no Cristiano Ronaldo once again ebo mo de etimi enya go na no Portugal Mutimbas ne baba bedru stadium no na nya de keto akra ni nyina se fans ekoko hye omo ne nwom na na omo to no na ni nyina Cristiano Ronaldo ho nwom na na omo to na sei ena na feeling na esiete Ati anu ye no awurwani echiemo Leicester mani e betimi ekoko rom no Luxembourg esoro ejiom na so bo kana ma Bosnia Herzegovina etimu ba kona Slovakia enso ehye kanan ema Iceland minor etimi etimu mienu Norway enso no friendly game on bo mienu ma Faroe minor entimi ante Manchester na Japan na etimi rom Europe no senete England 7:45 no omobo Malta Italy so no ebebo North Macedonia Moldova ebo Albania Poland ebebo Czech Republic mano Kazakhstan ebebo San Marino Finland so ebo Northern Ireland afi Denmark embo Slovenia na ene Greece nso ene New Zealand bebo ni a yonkofa akensi Japan na ewram na bo ma da yepa etimiara ma according to report no na ebobere bas Anthony Gordon obo adwuma etimiara ma Newcastle United ne se ohwe so bebo modern asweche ne nationality na ba aba bejama bo adwuma etimiara ma skola ni na ne se wa transfer ready England man no enshara emfa na nya hwe se anya no kre so no so ogidie pa so betimi ameki squad ebeko akwako Roma Eros no na aboa amane ma da yepa so ro etimiara ma mo yamrani club news kakra metete se pimpa ye friend Sir Jimmy Ratcliffe ba ababeto 25% stake of Manchester United or yes or consider say ne prefer ni Polo Maldini or the baba ababe Romo club na so na wa baba be bejuma etimiara mo tu Romo Ili any England there no your reporter everybody be Chelsea Polo Maldini and baba na wa baba Roma Boama ne ma koyepa etimiara mo Arsenal wo defender bi ni dino ye friend Jacob Kivior per report no Chelsea ne AC Milan for no any Arsenal didi din komo se boy ne ba e baba join omo no shara nya playing time to ombe se January no ye be jan wa baba join omo ne omo soro etimi aye adwuma and so do ani chemo Rebetis Bobokoro omo so e dia Isco Alan Consuels per report ne Chelsea Isco omo ne didi din komo enche ye be man contract extension until 2026 no what to akoso abu adwuma dia omo zo baba join omo no adwuma ye de mo La Liga nim no omo jiri so omo ne transfer na ne ye extend na ne beboa ama ne ma de ye pa etimi ara mana Madrid akrawe so na ye friend Ada Gula no report ne Chelsea enra niama de da diama na buna keteme fi Madrid impatamo a ordinary nya chemo Istanbul na mun komo ne sere niama nyesiatia no ene chemu abobare ba ne Chelsea prana wenya no e wo se no koko ramu fie na ohwe na hyehyende da ye pa etimi ara man tu join ya unzampa Ada Gula na no ko na central bizanze na masa ho tesen o se me ho ye me kwa ba me ba me jiri se me ba na ba be jano aboa ama bibia akoye paramount nura onu Romo Teki no na Chelsea bibia dana koma Eduardo Camavinga onu so afapra nya France a enura so Camavinga ba nya ba be du Madrid arope no obe Romo ba de be ba sena wakọ etimi akwakoye ne test no na afia on sere niam nyesia tia na me Real Madrid de kunu mu aye dempa ma mu injury list no exams after international break no Madrid be kakra ni na ze nei owura mo nkwada no eyepra no mu pra emze be bi edu no jize Toni Kroos mo en Luka Modric mo ba nya ba be gina mo entimu ma me Madrid mo injury list no ne ehwe ere o Jude Bellingham we pra ebi Dizada Gula we pra Edem Militao we pra Couto we pra Oleyan Chouameni onu we pra Denis Ceballos Kepa and afa Eduardo Camavinga Vinicius so ne no babo modern etimi ne test no tie no e dia baba to gwa Ike Gundogan report no nya linkini to Galatasaray na so no yes you say obetram na wato akoso abo adwuma boa ama ne ma koye pa etimi era ma baso na bobo korutie no enkoma ba ne baba to gwa na ye Ghana da e di ozem hwe na nsem no me de pem tete para me kora me jamu etimi era ma pimpa no na otimi ato aso na be za wadi kan kaza ne no 10 million line na akena nyeza
enu an ye che
10 million
opepe du 10 million 1000 Ghana cedis
star free hash
Sompa sika promotion o de ne se piasisi e fabra star 256 star 3 hash
10 million
o send bia
tu ne
nti
na 2000 no
opepe du no
okay
emu duo
abe onya win weekend ya beti ya ye o niam bi o
momo nka ho
ode
momo nka ho
o se
nti ya hwefo ne ya tiefo ne ya dofo
ba ze ayi ultimi fro nu abi mani twa bi
oh yes yes
kan wa ze wi aso no bia the taxes na nam
okay
ebe mamo ma se chairman kwa ne Kevin be draw no dabi omo fem kakra ti mo ma mate
ya die ho ya ba ya de aka nyina beto aso de ama ya Sompa 93.1 FM sine
Sompa Sports.
Betway is your gateway to a theme park full of gaming excitement. A whirlpool of wonder where your favorite games come to life. Where you can take to the skies with max payouts that reach into the millions. All in the palm of your hand. Visit betway.com.gh. Terms and conditions apply. Betway is regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Bet responsibly. Betway. Bet your way.
21st clinic aye sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techima eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu yenti abaso bo ma je no Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wo mu ji international awards ahodo wo mu ji local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa. Bibrim hano ebi ni baby a gise 21st clinic nkwa. Wo mu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho. Eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no. Eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade ne ade. Ghana ha baby a wo mu ho 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 na 21st clinic. Wo mu ye sciatica expert.
Wahwe se wako shop akodi dwa hodo basket ma emu provisions ene nyoma hodo ehia opa we delay musa edru so na ukotua nso a yaka kire wo se untimi nchante e me chance na ma so ya keke na mom o de Vodafone cash dia unni how cry yaka ko bia say dia untimi de Vodafone cash etua merchant bia or what network bia so straight direct sharp enti se water provisions well inuro iniane me se bia opese wo ye bia no Vodafone cash amana ye mremremra ma o ehia obeya de se obe dial star 110 hash netua kako merchant bia ho e won network bia so enia
Vodafone. Here in Ghana, when it comes to chicken, the good old days are back. Why? Because Boris Beef's Chicken, BBC, is here. Yep, give your family and loved ones Boris Beef's Chicken. Fresh, tasty, delicious. Boris Beef's Chicken is produced right here in Ghana by our cherished poultry farmers with support from the Ministry of Agric. Get whole frozen chicken, gizzard, chicken feet, chicken neck, and chicken liver for those special family meals, buffets, picnics, funerals, and all restaurants. Get Boris Beef's Chicken. It's halal, so everybody can enjoy. Wherever you are, call Boris Beef's Farms hotline 05-444-444-53. Ask for our branch that is closest to you and come get your chicken. Boris Beef's Chicken, BBC, proudly a Fiakoko.
Na minya Royal Foam mattress no. How the brain na me komu. Medam panosweni na atom. Na me chika seso na me honam nyina ya me ya. Na de kume kra ne se. Ya no mo so beda aso ape. Na wagya me. Na minya Royal Foam mattress no. Pa kwesi da aso ape. E na oye me ho ade. Congratulations dear. Me fa no kwa. Asedan koma Royal Foam. Quality mattress papa fi. Oje aware Royal Foam. What man nami relaxation aye de. I want to swear we nya woman say Royal Foam mattress aye papa. Eche aye quilted mattress inti. Woda so a ama wona ye foam. Sa woto mattress free Royal Foam a. Get free pillows. Royal Foam aje abasobode e 12 Ghana Business and Financial Excellence Awards no mu. Yet on quality duvets, curtains, beds, ni carpentry foams ahodo nyina bi. Hwehwe yen wo Royal Foam showrooms. Any sales depots a ewo Ghana fananyina. Fre 020-227-1000. Royal Foam, rest assured.
Welcome to St. Andrews SHS. I am grade A private SHS. Yeah, SHS courses in general art, science, business, no waka couple. Ever St. Andrews SHS, I had dinner ever pass. O send one teachers now. What's your window? Discipline. No first one was yati. St. Andrews, Riviera, supermarket, sick bay, barber shop, swimming pool, FM station, constant water supply and electricity. Admission room condo, Hurricane Abate, Pico Farm say, what it timber from our SHS 1, 2, and 3. St. Andrews SHS, what branches Big Piano or Ghana. Sapade Paso Asia, St. Andrews, Saboko Schooler, go school over I'm a Paso Wasi one time. St. Andrews SHS.
From our clean
water tanks. Water, which is rich with natural minerals, sourced from over 100 meters underground, is taken through purification, where our highly skilled personnel, equipped with the modern state-of-the-art laboratory, run all standard tests to ensure that purity is 100%. Because at Obibini Blackman Company Limited, quality is our hallmark. Bottling continues immediately in a clean and hygienic environment approved by the Ghana Food and Drugs Authority, because water is life, but unclean water is definitely not life. After years of research into water purification systems, the result is water that can compete with any other on the international market. Stay healthy and hydrated with the new Zet Natural Mineral Water.
Right, yes, I'm Wakwa about Sompa 93.1 FM. So, I send live on Sompa TV full time. And your team Kunyaswe de bro. Na ye day ni nyina your program ni nyina for Black Stars of Ghana. It's a World Cup qualifiers no. And na air the air shas 4 p.m. Ghana. Yene Madagascar. Na so far. And you be komo bebre you be set to take it ama wakwa kohwe game ni bi na the support akwa komo ma menye birthday special kakra emfama ene yadofo bi edu ma woda ona wodu on birthday no yam show ma happy birthday yan kasa yenua be friend Vida Adwoa Owusua Vida Adwoa Owusua wan kasa brother ye friend no Kwasi Abro no ma we FC Samates kasama for say ninu aba no pe wasempa na wo asante achempra so ye ma happy birthday ready show no mo ho ban na no ma nyina enye kama emfa emount happy birthday Adwoa saso and Mr. David Mawinda dodona afro UB40 na una CEO ewo UB Motors ewo yeji na one kasa o brother ye friend no ASP David Kwabna Jima where prisons officer or Ankafu main prisons camp and SMA happy birthday nti UB40 yama happy birthday o yeji saso ena yankasa we ye Herbert Aldes Odehe ene your birthday monfa Herbert de no to so ma me na yenhwe Herbert okay eniwa yenko yenim na yenhwe se Philip Kwaku di o ha monfa ma birthday to Philip Kwaku happy birthday Philip yema trinkwa uko school Amu State ene esro twedam po bese yadom so omo ho bana de obe bia no enye nhira ene nkan ko emfamant happy birthday Sarah waya Sompa ye WhatsApp administrator na se happy birthday ena Ora say my happy birthday one kasa umama ye friend no Auntie Mavis say my happy birthday yakopon hira no mo ho ban na bibia enye kama eso emfa ema ena mami ajewa yakopon hira pa upiem ewo eye insu atra ho ena awo ye mawo say yakopon hira no mo ho ban na bibia enye kama ena me akasa me brother Joseph Kwenu 80 no Zaragoza Spain eho ena wo nyakopon ka no mo ho ban de obeye bia na enye nhira eso emfama 80 na bia enye kama so emfa ema na akomia momia kura no nemo se bia da ye dia akomia
Luther King
the sports messiah ene ye Friday nemo meba
fantastic Friday
ene wo ba be din komo bebre Michael Obi nsam na waka no na akomia dey
Mr. Luther
Michael
okay
net say
nyame adom ya
I say why you busa bisa ade
I say
that's why you busa botti
Dana Monday by okay
sir no matter you come
yeah
okay bibia be fine why
na birthday because Zaragoza because anyway we are international man a man of local territories and international domain
when him say next year even this year crown shall me kwa kupim UK
sir
Atibu citizens are UK London almost almost Xmas party made in one
to me invite
ombema me invite.
No, what then?
Oh, some come MC Amawomo.
I want to official MC.
So yeah, at TV this year.
Okay.
One official MC.
Made in dinner on your Xmas 24.
They say, oh yeah, a man of local territories and international domain.
Oh, are they?
O portfolio am a creative amount, and now I'm pay.
Oh, say DJ Atom.
Or the nyom ne kwa or drew way wa.
Nipa no organizer. No, we DJ. I my former station DJ Atom.
Into personal way.
On board my son what me nyom kakra.
Baby, personal way ni say. Men fan share way him say we a musician and now you artist.
And some track what out. Me track. Afimu enye na release here.
Track na your dia.
Okay. Messiah ewa ha saso Michael Asaribodu ewa ha ye no mbedi nkomene mum say True Wealth Vision Capsules me pacho aduro bia unya bia bebo apa obi ho tap senani dan da be hunu asenani prunso nani ayekoko unya True Wealth Vision Capsules a ebetima boa saso na glaucoma etu ase oya na cataract nyina na ebetu ase saso na ya na wa wani uhwa ade awbre ansan wo huno unya True Wealth Vision Capsules ebetime to ase eso ediama saso enye wo prostilave na prostilave no eno so dura prostate diseases ni nyina na ebetu ase ediama wo dwonso a obrepa o tese wo te yaw wo chim ebransa na dwonso no aba dwonso no na eba kokoko na muja krasa de akiri wunya prostilave ebeboa wo saso ena wa ta dwonso ntentem so no ni nyina ebetu ase ediama enye wo male 40s na male 40s no eno so no mema eboa ye mema yo no mema yo no CPC ta wa ye mre wo mpaso mema sem na na ebu ha no ebetimi am wa CPC ta ma no makọ edi ama busu libido be ma bu ana tenka sem wo form ni nyina ne timi boawo ene yo joint 40s na joint 40s no eno so no ye de treat arthritis na eno so eboa ema wa pọ no wa poso na ye oja ya wote normal bi se wan kaswa ye ba just why bu ha why week no ebebo to asedi ama ene yo lady 40 na lady 40 no eso ye eno oba o menses no emaje ensisi so etimi twakra be bosom mienu bosom ensa na emai wunya enu bia bebo apa ena awo ho nsem so betimi aboa wo awo ho problem ebebo apese otitim so ani nyina netimi adi emwa edima ye sama oba watenka sem no etimi kosro pa eyade se ehuru janum ema bia ye kama enu ye active core eye cleanse no na me patro boa na bia nye kama na wa wiyam atim ene wa so a wo ye kese wani enye ho no wunya bia ebebo afre number is 0206595707 0206595707 and 0558724302 ofra bibia ebe kama eso edi amount na so hu de aircon de airbus sia na bibia so aye fine na e ka kire say Royal Foam Ghana Limited for say and control say mattress ne ba akopɛ eno an eye ubenya Royal Foam mattress adaso carpenter for use uko hotel bia bed no Royal Foam mattress na deda so mattress awda so e fon mattress bi a wotena so na sorry ana amem omo de ne entesa mattress bi o eda wo chakra na heat ababe ginam omo de ne entesa mattress bi krat mi pai so nkronsu mattress bi a woda so a na ho ekeka na ho ye wo ya upiem a Royal Foam Ghana Limited omo Royal Foam mattresses no enya sanete okọ omo main factory a e wa sokore mampon omo ben CCC a obo Sompa omo mattresses awodo ho a ni nyina ye kama carpenter fo betima tubu a opebi akoda so a open mattress edu dwuma bia na akogi bi na bibia aye kama eno achi no Ghana ha de omo branches ne miamia bebre free number is 0202 271000 0202 271000 Royal Foam rest assured eno e de che no Michael akomia the sports Messiah Luther where mama be sema be mienu miensa enum bi na Mikel Obi ne nsem no de tu dwa say Africa de obo bra na onye ska na nyawo nkwa wo de o abusuafo on be twon na ho na onua ba be kwa kofa be ma kokohwe akwa bi a wo mo bra na one ne wa na mo wo na busa say akosua nkwada na mo ho na be twe no abranye na obobo a wonye ska yi
wo le miensenti ma mi take akra
you get threatened by your own blood, your own.
Do you know what we're going to do? Me and you are going to do a documentary about this.
When you come from Africa, and this is something I don't think we speak a lot about, when you make money, it's not your money. You have all these relatives, cousins, whatever you call it.
You didn't know?
Yeah. You know, and your sisters, they go off and they get married to some guy, you know, who just wants to get married to John Obi Mikel's family, because then my life is sorted. And then you start looking after this guy. Before you know it, You're looking at them. Where is it?
You're on less than them.
Exactly. They keep having so many kids, and you're looking at, okay, you're having this much kids. Who's going to look after them? It's you.
And
it's
the culture that they expected you to do that.
For them, you owe them that. So sometimes you have to be strong and say, you know what, guys, enough is enough. I don't care. They give you this thing whereby if you don't do it, we're going to go to the press.
Ooh.
Wow. Man,
what, did you have them conversations?
Yeah. What?
Messiah.
You so tap on Chenya today.
What? I said when it cared in the power.
You so tap on Chenya. What you want?
Sompa Sports.
Listen, no kind in we come and talk about the culture aspect of it. But baby, I hupa. I had the main course in the BBNT or Kofas with the buy say dream webinars or case yes can it be more. No more threatening will say the media, the press,
and the man central
for.
I'm a muscle power. We are cushioning. Yes, you can own show a bushia.
Eh? The man and only you pano. Eh, said Tama no man is can answer Tony Benny now. Tama and what na. Or times card the brew said G, ne fire Juma na fire bibi na obi gina ho.
That be.
Eh? Yo enkofobu abrabo yi mu a. Omo de ane say opa ye ne papa 99. Na ye ne bone baako. Obema wiase nyina hunu so nipa bone fo hu bi da.
The why in the refi.
Hwe? Adam for you ungrateful and you ungrateful. And then nante da.
Now be there.
You see, dey omusu be there dia mo hu. Obi on ungrateful bia no ntimi fa hye dem da. Suban ye te se nyi se wotwu tan be pi. Obi o ungrateful. Obi a o ungrateful.
Obi a wonyini pa.
Onyini pa ye. Sa nipa ne hwani ye. Ono na atimi che na de anu aka cho se na we se kura de se so. Ana we de me de ye dey. Se we de me de prapra kwa mechiri mesa ba be hu. Ba obi won ma o ma na sa kitikiti no. Na ni asama, na ni agye aboro so ama. Anhwe ada obeba on che kura be ka se mini bi no kura no. Ohu ni se ye no kure. Uni bi. Na wo bi anka de be ye dey. Wo de be ma no. Didn't know also beat me your papa na one day pay one obia na na could do central for him say o turn it na mom. But
the content of Mikel Obi say Ghana ha no and Africa ha no unya be o de for ba akona da busuama obia de ne burden e be to so.
And the number 2 no cre. On say is in our culture. On say okwa manone a more of them need deal with nuclear family. One ne yere ne man omote. Di omo bibia omo sika sem how omo manage omo nyoma nyina sanete. But we have grown into a certain culture and then aside the nasisa. Genti ebenya Kumasi fie, Ashtown, Krofrom, ni nyina because of extended family.
No fana bi siesiwo.
Iti abusua no wo fani sia. Abusuafo ni nyina te Ashtown fikesiem. Abusuafo ni nyina te Krofrom fikesiem because more or less no moji tumi yese se ba ko timi besi a. O ma me benya one room. O so wa benya one room.
Akomi ama me.
We suni ni nuya ne dine. So it is a culture enye ne na eba be dey. Eba be gina pintin wo ema himu. Any Africa ha. So Nigeria might have their own when they have to do with extended family. Ghana so ye de ne say eno ne ye de chichira busua ye nya ne kwa. Intina wo fa na wo fa se ye mfa ni agro okroma se no. Me wo fa se ye mfa ni agro. So extended family within our setting and our culture can never be taken out. And there is a certain notion say, "Oh yeah, what's what me bomb busuan so timi yedey." Edi. And baby the level of opportunities amunya. Ebi amano no obi tina ho no benya level of opportunities ba ha no ebi obi tia no ma opportunities e wo ha so a. Tini say bia wo fa bi na ne nan si baby na wo fa attempts card ya ba beboa no. But the ma de ni ye hu a me ka ho asem a me se susu biem. Ne ye say Saye culture na obi bua wo no. De ma ne yehu ni yese nipa na ya opapa na one day pen wakobusa na wo se mini bi. Eno ne ade na ehu wom no. Na oton mo obi bia wo. Odo na mabonten na oton.
Onjiri sa omoso ka ho bi. Ene ya na e masa no mane ba because wa be o defo e wa abusua nom. Why not say umpa adwuma bi mfa mo dance da bia be iska so mo nse.
Meniska ni bi di nkomo ba. Ni modu pa awadu mo oye no ka se bi che me se adentina amrante amosi so mo pe da wonche me say instead sen kan bubu san say da kwan be na afa so aye kwan be na me fa so ametime nya du ba bia wadu
omo nchire and omo nchire
there are many people who are willing to teach that and it's a few meba luta yewo ebi won ma yemfa ne sese bi adwen da ne trima ne se odede bia abra me nche na besere what you say uyi nipa anaiska 410 si won ma me sure say mu be 6 ebetima achiro kwan wo so fa so wo suit onye the same one no dey ye but at least obetima ma wo advice bi ebetima bo anaso obetima ma ska bi ma advice bi atato a o ma ne nche be ye dey embesiri ska bi ba ye de ne atikuro mu ase no me the boys ne de dodo na o ja na on chemi ba obeba on chaka cho so e bi aja wache me bi a 2000 wache me bi a 10000 kwan be na e bi a me fa so na me de bibi krampa ebetima ye dey ebetima agina that moment ne krampa bobusa nipa ne sa no se ska na o de ma wo no o ho adwen dey adwen pa so de be bibi iti emu abi kura ta to kro betima sa de aye dey atato de amaw but me no this is a cultural stuff in Africa. You can never dispute it. The moment ababe or the forward bush because of quite fast chichiri ebusiano. So be wu chiri ni wo ma wo so timi bo ano. Ba baabi a mimi gina mimi hu ni se ano den. Se bi nipa bone sem trimu den sem. Ene se nipa na bo a da ne dan nyina abekọ obi ano di bibi be ma wo. Na wa fa ho adwen. Se one da wanya bi amfa ama no. Wo be fa ho adwen se oba ko catch man se nyina me hu so nipa bone ni. Ye to so mi unim se ade wo betimi aye bi pa. E bi am 5 cities more 10 cities. Make me the ato ade we but minim se luta wo bi ntino this a chenchina twan me sa ko luta wo sa ko je 5 cedis ne 10 cedis e ya dwen bone jai
me da se akomia ma me nko ene me brand nti because enche me che take it a amam for be kwa akwohwe Black Stars game ni bi na ye won sem bebre so e kan wa ha Asare Mikel Obi nsem na odi atodwe ne mu du pa o
what's up on this same matter. No, because I say Adentina can for D and Nadia. Well, I can't remember. No, you want to share where or the family system ne HSA. You relate more to the matrilineal side. Since would the idea called Umami ho. The inti me and sani ye. Omuni say Umami ne ye umoja. O papa ye soon. Okay. So between the two, wa we abofrano. O papa eye ho esen Umami. And she said, "Udi idea the call umame side. It means a cut the bloodline. So the bloodline is maintained. O papa dear, into no bit me a call ware fufro, no ne now. Into udi idea call papa side. Distorted the family line and I say the bloodline. Inti that is the explanation I made to media man in brief. Okay. Maybe another time. This is an African born and raised here, speaking like an African who has made it in Europe. Esem no kano ye wo mu mienu afani afa. Ye wo ne papa and ye wo de eye bone so. Send ye bibia wo wi asimbia no. Ye wo ne papa and in the
advantage and disadvantage.
Good. Now, Uba be breaking it down. Akomian spoke about the culture bit. Culture and before see be drew the larger way ni no. It started from a family system. It started from beliefs. It started from tradition. And sana a trickle down the about culture name. Belief ne ebia ye Christopher ye boaboa ye nani akwa so ende sadia ye nkambom ne amwa ye nti asori mu kra no ye timi to tonsa ye kambom a ye se ye de boa so mesi ye de ye se mitimi besere wade because oye ma asori ni beliefs no beliefs ne so kire se ebia esum we no ye ntu ye hu si wo se sadia we ne ye beye de ama ye ho ne aboaboa ye ho eno wo ho the tradition ne so kire se bebia wo free ba DM practice now how you copy it and how you also emulate it. So setting mo the family system said ya komi achemo no enye ebusunye bia no mudi na de but I can for anomo de mostly tilted towards ena but most other tribes in the day omo de so different e be a patrilineal e be a matrilineal so their accounts will have semblances in other ethnic groups.
Some passports.
And then other ethnic groups will move towards way. Now to the external family setting, how a city and acquire a fast in ye, and then your master. First, ye booming no. Now you need human wall, I see a concrete wall, ye see what auntie, way what to buying at the agenda die home, they be. first in the no be to me treko obi ahye mu ye hia bom ne e di nkomo ne ye we eya ne apapa mu yakoda enti na tete dan no si a ne pono nda no ye si tete dan a epono nda no eya de ne de say nim so the family setting and how we raised ourselves up back then no and ma wunyini to understand that it is not just you, your mother and your father, but rather that to a larger extent you will also show appreciation and yan shed ye but said your yema on see as my show ama wenyini ma osie fifia also be hwe me ama me sie tutu yanya no a restricted a practice for mame any oba ana mame ni eja ye for anybody who plays a part in raising a child any sana practice netie from tete and then anyoma sisa kakra sports enti first no o se wa bi obeye bibi ama o papa nua bi beye bibi ama o mama nua bi beye bibi ama they will all play a part they will contribute in raising you enti sa no so konya baby gina sani ebusua no ye ma wo no na so aboa no ayama other family members and this practice ama ebusua bebre enne omunchi wa abrochire eyo omo wo fa bi na kodi ho ana oye ne se saade a afi bia no obefa ne nua ba ne baba akode akọ enti omo ye sa no the family set up a wonderful foundation o mapeje omo de ko ne baba akode akọ enti omo ye sa no the family set up a wonderful foundation o mapeje omo de ko that is a practice enya boni we have not been cursed sani have not been cursed sani raise here but sani bibia ye papa bia boni wom no ye webusuafo ho a omo wa adwen pa ana ye webusuafo so omo wa adwen money enne wiase na ye wo no eni brenti people don't really celebrate those who need to be celebrated sir yeah eni brenti enti de wase ye hoahoa no webusuani because nyakopon ehira no bibi kakra ba nsem no na ye ni atan no enti kakra na ba nsem no ekwan bia ye be fa so ye be hye no ye be hye no that is the problem
enti de John Michael Obi kano omo bresa
good now this is where it is everybody who is successful or wealthy you have a starting point I will get to that place and also when you have some level of wickedness at times you need to be selfish to also make it in life and yes and yet say trimodeno so wicked in quote
okay
and also yes idea no
what the battery my you breaking it down for
I was opening with trim yes with trim the opening with trim now the explanation here is this we are branch here we so our bobra afi na kakra ba wonsem se wo ya wa adwen se o beye ebusua no age nkwa o mobra
and ebe wi aso mbesan kra de diwatem
na the inter make us everybody needs a foundation to build on now when you are a young man and you are growing up the foundation that you need to build on no e was say wa na okeka bom kakra the times we are in and the system of governance no the little money you make you will spend on rent you will spend on other stuff until by the time you realize no na be 60% of your net earnings neko if you add family burden to it na be a constant say wa hyede anya asede wa hyede say wo say we are bosome ne be wie no na de wunya ni na no wasanso asai ni na nti wunya fapem bia obegina so de abo obra I am not saying don't help your family but nyakopon be pagya wadru stage bia afei de bi beba wunsem and when you get to that stage you can make provision for family something that is a need a responsibility but wusana wunyi ne wo bobra na wo decide ni si woni so chinchin atwan wo be ya wan hwa okomu bebu enipa na nka ebusua ne ni gina ne so ahomani da ne so okobe no afei no no kra no so wajem na ne na di ebufuo ni amemene mfene sa issues ne ba no so Luther clearly what Michael Jonobi all can say ye wo ebusuafo ni bi wo ho a one they are ungrateful two they don't also have a vision. And Kenya bone said me mako bobo wa manone menyeska na mafa okwa brochire me de okwa you see teach a man to fish but don't give the man a fish because all the fish the man no dear nipa da se need sa akoko didi wie pode na no betwitwi fom ne re be fi obesan ba ochina ba wo kira ne kwan ofa so yi ne nam a ade chia omma wo ho obekwa koyi ne nam. And then eventually, as the education trickles down, or also better amount for baby it makes a better society. And we have a big issue to look at. And the issue that we are looking at here is it a family system a problem? No. External family system is never a problem. Unyesika, nyanko pontu unsem, na wo hwe wo faase bi, o hwe wo nua bi. Oh, share a of a be or say we be a enya bonnet Luther. That is never a wrong thing or a wrong practice. A can you who be an my ye be before ye Ghana for ye come for enya bonnet. So do we see Cabesha or say wa or do we see Cabesha offer. But where it becomes a burden, learn to use wisdom and discretion.
Mate. Meda say eno ya Michael Saribodu and our ten and Kano. I Sompa 93.1 FM suni. Sasuna live on Sompa TV full time near Tesono. Na ene Black Stars da. Ene Black Stars da. Ninyana say exactly 4 p.m. Kumasi Sports Stadium. Black Stars in Madagascar 2026 World Cup. Ghana yebe kobia. Eshasi efri ne na minu mienu den ye de aboa Black Stars amomatima qualifier with expectation every team ho ene say me ba cho Black Stars jamana no mo hye no aye krado a mo ma mi fitam hutam kakra answer mabadwafo mema me college so abam mo ma mi jamana kakra
Sompa Sports.
Black Stars of Ghana feeling no esietienra after omuwie trainer Jamanu Sheki ya hwe omumudina as a moran was so pa ekire sampa ne ombesi form at goals na guntenanum eso dia me say the support no massively na biaye kama na mekọ me lines no so ansa na mekọ so no Michael Saribodu mami Musao expectation from the team no one any say
oh don't expect much oko my Facebook at 17th November 2022. Me can the same thing. Team na yashisheno and I yashisheno and yet the finished article yet. So what team said Blasters are now share 2006, circa 2007, 2008 and yenwa. There's a different version of a Black Stars, a new era. New era no. It will take them time to blend into way no so be kwa. When he a Black Star somewhere 2002, 2003 and then
game like bat
and then Oko Stadium
Diana minu no ye for the team I was almost say
team nechi men konko hwehwehwe free omo. If you don't give you don't get anything in return.
Okay.
Inti and the Woko no go and add up to the 11 players on the field, be the 12 man.
And kwatena onko edin
man kwatena expect say kudus be miracle amount et say comfort o eye o shrine won come ye o expect say abosom no mbe den untwa nkokọ ema mojengui ungunsa onkanche ye enso what wa say abosom no omonkasa omoya den no omonkasa
okay
enti wo ye chitani a You are like the fetish priest of that shrine of football stadium. One I call Kenya Stadium, my players in this way, ne Kenya mo. Nobody idea is on. If they are the gods, you are the priest. So conjure your magic. Don't expect the gods to deliver when you have not given them what they need. You will have to go with your full support. May ye be in free. And the foul tie no one your man a ton chain. Jesse Ashe, T-shirt Ashe. Ye did the man hunting fifre. Kikem.
Players in the bar.
Nadia na Jericho first when you bubuyi. And yet the new say boni momo. The same thing I make no. And ye dead.
To no expect a fans in be dead.
If the Black Stars will beat Madagascar, it will come from the supporters.
Matea Kumia,
young man in your hell and famomo.
Akumia expectation is a me babe check it CCI. Na meko lines in a so me kwa me busa. Say and the game of Black Stars in Madagascar airborne. Then I will share a new free team no. Then I also yet your boy team number team nanya massive win. And watching myself show take it. Akumia expectation is a then I'm no me so yet your boy team no.
Yes. A very good win.
A very good
win.
Like
convincing performance plus results. Convincing performance plus
Brazil grant me my convincing performance. Yeah, mamo she.
Otua Dubai. So Madagascar gave me a boy. As I say, already the bar has been raised when it comes to Madagascar airborne.
Okay.
And it need 3 years. 2 years here, 1 away. Players do na oman is so kakra bi na afifrim anomoko meboa ye bonu keep coach.
Yeah.
So this is another Madagascar team. With here Raya also me sure say ubebo na you know a press conference he said something like no a part of that team on bebo you know. But not no crawl bench but the 2 years say we more fighting spirit to chain omomba the other time, which means Luther you hear say a national team that's why I say be good performance you need to raise the level of intensity. Obi onya akonya sa behind closed door training no information I had no ya sub no coach na ni abre pa Luther Christy na nya gudi pressure won so
enti na dia
so pa
dia nya nhwem fro mo ho
the players
dia na me no mienu so nya fantasy na chi
need to put it at the back of the mind say Ghana for attire anytime even when we play bad
Ghana because na ye win no. So you need to give them a good performance and a good win. Say 2026
between now and AFCON, you need convincing wins. Between now and AFCON.
Owo bia da wo
o hia convincing wins.
World Cup ni epo akomia.
World Cup ni
epo. And abofo goals ni results ni epo.
In the group o Madagascar o Comoros o Central African Republic na o Mali na o Chad and Mali. Now, these particular countries are. Who say Ghana and status is an amount for through an article.
But it's if you
so I was article.
If you want ya ko 2
and now
you won against Madagascar.
Yeah, winning but because was it Central African Republic? You really no coach ni bet na press conference be ka che masa. Ade ye.
Akumya yem fan to ye chi. Yamfam to and na de no yes afina abaso ne yedie and na de na wo perform team no
Madagascar there we need a convincing win
to say Scotland
give us a quality football mumma a good football baba
and de na wo so kwaya abo team ne
abu Luther en le kwa support you
me da say no ye Michael Akumia responsible na atene ka no wo betimi afre no aba we expectation is say na de na we expect from the team so na o kwa kohwe bia ofra ye cho take it amwa kwa kohwe bi ofra ye betro number ye be take it ni be send o ba bia wo enu aso WhatsApp ni be very active entu fra no body ye betro number na ba bia wo bia ya ma take it na da kore game ni na mum dey and I wo hwe ni from the team dey na wo so wo ye e dia bo team no number is 0551 931 931 0548 931 931 obetima frɛ aba so na wo so de odi aba okay mam fam first call hale
hello
yeah udin
na kasar
o kasa frɛ
me kasa free tabun jesu
dia na wo hwɛ from the team no one ne
And I was here before when you qualify the US.
And I also cost stadium and then I will call your team no.
Some passports.
Okay, Unamba Yafa Ubenya will take it at the stadium and find another caller. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, Saudin.
Hello.
Yes, Saudin, baby, I'm free.
I am calling Scobra watching me free a bois.
Cole. Na and now be stadium there.
But I say,
and now cost stadium.
Giddy.
Yeah, Sompa mouth take it back. Why my dear support to Black Stars? Why? Tia phone number we ya the best send you. Na now Jana will share from the team no.
Team the yeah support the Black Stars na so much ya video baby so Vim say you know the stuff fala or Vim you beer how much you don't make beer how much. And the day you can't
okay. But I see my father that call us ha. Hale.
Hello.
Yes, Saudi.
Begin the admonition.
Edi ofa
Well, back here.
Now, Edi, now hear from the team no one there.
And the back here, so much there.
Yeah, so mu 2-0. Now Black Stars nyami nyebi da Robert Mato akama
Black Stars nyami nyebi do. Oni ye ha moda. Oni ye ha modo. Nyami nyebi da. Ya wanka fa e unbia ya jeje na sia ebebe.
Me da say we take it in advance and do say my fan another caller. Hale. Yes, I would never be free.
Me the Felix make a free Damiabra.
Meanwhile, and now bus stadium.
Oh, and yes, pretty good football and win and yes, pretty football.
Okay. Now Black Stars and you ben I bet me at to ukwa na to their support team no.
Oh, and yeah, and Jamada da na ya wana ya na si boy and one of the support ya for him.
Dia men kayo kai me kakre.
Oh, Black Stars nyom de be na si abobi. They got to abobi oh ye ni na oh ye de ko support.
Me da say. So number na your WhatsApp. Okay. Obe on Sabeka will take it in this I'm fan another caller.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Some person you didn't be free.
Good morning.
Good morning, boss.
Take it to the
oh, free, hey. They take it in Tiania to God bless our homeland to me and T.
God bless our homeland.
Wow. So, on number your WhatsApp. Hey, your WhatsApp. Oh, and your fine. Oh, I was saying, unya WhatsApp number and can send you CCIO. And today, your throw number no. We are nurse. Why wafre ofra you better call be fa so dey take it in be my why all right yes so that's fa Hale
some passports
Hale
Hello.
Yes I'm ba cho udi no be free
from Abbas that's what
Abbas obuase so nam kwan so ba na safe na obesim
I'm kwan so ba
and yeah, oh, buddy, I be out take it. Sompa ye cho take it. Why? Hale.
Hello, you master.
Abbas, dear, now we share from the Black Stars team. No one there.
Me saying say, and then they 2-1 did go.
Now, but in the stadium, we players in a bad pitch and a swab shall say, I didn't also moon free. Jena was a stadium where.
Hello.
Abbas. Mese say and now Ramo stadium a players in a bar. On free time no pia then also free supporters or.
Okay.
Sompa Sports.
Oh, I'm Abbas in Tienka, me and Sanfa another caller. Hello.
Hello.
Yes sir, Sompa Suni Odini baby are free.
Try me going rent off we free for the.
Menu are bus stadium nana. And there's some payment take it out where game ni be why. Now net Jen away from the team. Black Stars players and all.
And they are impressive football. The players have more papa and the boy is more.
And into also Diana also rest stadium abandoned.
And they are the Mumbai Gama and the better of it.
And your mammy Germany be.
God bless our homeland, Ghana.
Hey. Hey. Ah.
Sompa Sports.
Minia, take it in all. You be piano was a see why? Me da say, Tiwa man for fraud.
Hello.
Yes sir. Udini baby are free.
I have a friend, Tracy Nkoko.
Oh, Nkoko, unam kwanso bana, ana. Odia u.
Afeni yebesim.
Afena mu besim.
Bachai.
Anya, so free Nkoko na eba Sompa TV, Sompa Radio. Yes, so yeah, chow, take it at the stadium. Why? Na Nadia na usher from the team. No.
The Bachai, yeah. Football. I'm falling into form. You who said, the blaster now, Mike Lucy and Anthony and I am, and no one ever be you.
Okay, yeah, that's it. Man, Sanfa, another caller. Halle. Yes, I would didn't be free. Bismarck as a free. Thanos, so Bismarck in our cost stadium. And there's some payment take it and all about Black Stars. Why? I know Rust Stadium at then also be here. A day I'm a Muramo Muswet Marini.
Oh, yeah, the Jamani, the Jamani,
Mate. Oh, there, you do take it to Bemanu with CIA. Halle. Yes, I would dinner be free.
But show me the Aquasimosi, but you make a free.
I was in Coco now, Baba Shebi and I saw the other monitor from afar. Okay. And I could see Diana obey so from Coco, Diana over set team to pay the amount. I'm an any general pay.
Anytime we are from higher. Almost share and I pay a show of Lammy, you say they are things that be until anytime they have from around one, I mean,
okay, yeah, that's a pa. Let's Muran, let's a moon for Muran and Ran, and Bianya come. I'm in far last caller. Now, me say the sorry, near the Jumadin baby, we have such a ticket, Nibia. Halle. Okay, Halle.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, boss. We didn't be free.
I am very quite service of you also.
Kwame, serve you also now. Unyan sim with your time and about bedroom.
And then you have to yes, coaching.
Oh, Kwame, and not the other doing your coaching the also Pamno. And not the all say you be out to Yachi. Near 30 team winning the Maya.
And a match a bill soup.
Oh, Kwame, Dabi. Oh, Kwame. was say you be to a support team for Black Stars so be win Kwame. Kwame say
I'm putting up Ghana pitching up bon. Yeah, man no for man no bon
Mate, me da say. Me the me first batch of air course in ABC so far nipa 12 and I yedi kia fa. Say be sorry na dwumadi no abena wie ya be sign ache ticket ahodo SI ediama ye callers no mo a ye nim di dwuma da no say Black Stars isi akan e okumase a Sompa de ɔsɛ ye no sɛ ɔsɛ ma yahwɛfo ne yɛtiefo akwanya na musumu kɔtai Black Stars team na kyerɛ sɛ yɛn kase yɛ Japade ne Black Stars no na bia so etimi ɛyɛ kama me ba to mami Germany no mo mami Germany Murphy mo mami Germany if so Black Stars players na moral no wɔsoro papa na Sompa sika promotion ya first draw no ya de bremo dan de etra say ye chem sika ne ye chem 2000 Ghana cedis 20 million na ye chem mienu me first draw no 1000 Ghana cedis so pipi du 10 million ye be chen sisi ai enti unya ntwa wo de a to draw sisi ai pe sika kitwa bi to wallet no so momo wallet no oto ba kwa 5 cedis eno an say obedale star 256 star 3 hours dial star 256 star 3 hours na opia obon say Sompa Kumase Sompa Nkranza Sompa Sunyane ebeba no select option 1 ene Sompa Kumase say ha na wo hweye utie na wapia de aba say ye bodo na nyame boa na o number no wudia anye dem soko 1000 Ghana cedis bon say jangurengwen na wanya alert no na 1000 10 million abegu phone so na bia ye kama enchebe first draw na mom channel say Sompa achade na Sompa achade registration no anya bana wiye na Sompa ye ba ye nche na so ade ye no esene kuroi last year Sompa adwumayefo Sompa mpanyimfo kabo mu etimi ya doedema akunafo eche omadema bronya no omuso ekra ani jepa na eno na afi omabie atum ama akunafo dodo na Sompa pe no omabetwe mu dia register wie na so far yesi gusu na tie Sompa kasa fidie ye gusu a yesa dofo adane dom ne edi dwuma esa Sompa kakra bia obia no betimi dia abeboa na achede no se ebasa achede no bi beka ho a ye be bie registration bi be announcement ama kunafo na mo ba ene atwero di na wie no mo atimi asen aba abetwero mu din aka ho ama mo so nya mo so mo di ama bronya no mo so sede eso akofso e wo mafunum ama bia ye kama enu nti no ye be sere se babia wo bia no se sika fam se ye normal fam obetimi edo achede eso e de aba na da no so a ye de aboa ma kunafo ya omuto manim hwe bonkum nifa ento bi anim afia no be hyesa na reho e na ahye omakoma mu na nisuo na ehini wo mo no yetima pepa e de amomo endi se eye emo na abenya se oil se eye bayre eye tin tomatoes ensadi milo e biscuit ade bia ensei wo de ba yebetuma age e de ato eye sika fam so a eye momo babia wo bia ne de yemfroka emfa sika nkomo bi ene momo obetimi asende kakra bia obenya no e de aba be ka de Sompa yeso ye wo ho no na eye nmaamenum akunafo ene ye nuanum akunafo a omo ba ne ye register wie dodo na Sompa ho odin be so no ya twera wie no yomo so yetima from atro mo amomo so nya achede ni bi number ne 0598 559 802 0598 559 808 enu ye momo number wo send a edin ebeba no Terra 1 Media anase Blessed Foster say Terra 1 Media na Blessed Foster watch fam na tonkwa mu enu nyina na Sompa na eba kakra bi abenya no wa send aba se eye seminar na abenya ye books pen eye ntade ade bia fi so so betimi di aba ama ye de acha kunafo yi obetimi di aba ma bia ye kama wo de ba bia wo no kra no ewa na wuntimi ma afre ya yankasa ye bebo anamon ebetu ka aba ni aba beje ama bia so aye fine eno de dawa ye de ema wo ewu dwumadi so na ye catch us 21st clinic omo ye expert in sciatica ye ka sciatica yade a eso na nkokoma e ko to ase na etwetwon na din ba ko a ye bo sciatica ayaresa bi obi anim no 21st clinic omo de bibi do na se yade na e ba sciatica de a omo nti ene sciatica yade no san ewo Ghana ha ejira evise sciatica yade no edu 21st clinic aso ye pam ne tu ase ema ejira ye nsoso enkrokro no udu a doctors ne nurses apabi na oma bene om de akrokro ene nyamisuo ene be krokro wasa yade emfidi ahodo ho e ba se hwe mo januma e lab technicians a om be hwe mo janum e ba se yen scanning nipadua na your scanning machines ewo ho enu ntibra yade bia free trisu kosu na ase obawa ye betuma tu ase eso ediama ene 21st clinic no your more than 15 branches ewo Ghana ha kuma se wo hwia overseas Alpha Radio nchewa saso na eye enkran upiem a your dome market wo ena piem so obo ase council quarters call dance nchewa ena nkranza sunwane Cape Coast ko forudua takrade ne miamia bebre 21st clinic branches no ebio ho obetima friend number yi na your call center no be pikin wadi nkomo number is 0540 311 0540 311 0540 311 fra ya be jo sonam komo bia no wadi express group ese nkanto so person kwa bruche kwa adwuma obeso ko school e wa bruche ukosu ade e be boa mo nya scholarship eno achu person koto e wa bruche holidays ena person kwa bruche visa ena open apese aboa ni nyina express group ese obetima boa ma bia ye kama exam simple ena wasa wotwa se eye GMAT eye TOEFL ana se eye SAT de keka bia na e be boa mo wetima tro amwa ye nkunimdefo eno eye express group no mo se nkanto se e ba control sem admission happen abrochi eye scholarship no be boa ni nyina na se frɛ omo na bromo branch bia omo branches be brogan ha na piem ewo eye kumase akumase omo asafo labor runabout and crime omo Kenechi first light Tamasudu community 18 Lashibi Gwai filling station eye close to Lashibi funeral home ho and abehu omo opiem East Legonsoa ye ben eye Trinity eye theological seminar and atakrade ye wo market circle ye ne hot Ernesto fast food ne die nhwe sunyane ye ben ye wo silver house board na e ben high court wo and atamale so no ye ben tamale teaching hospital bebiani ye ben court no and ntuma frɛ 0249 000 448 0249 000 448 055 55 50067 and a 0508 111 343 and a 0552 827787 ofra yabajo san komobianom ye no wadi na Mickey awo haidie kwaku and na Friday betway golden code promo
yeah say and the bia trim say a simple and tia oko betway website ni so slide away no obehu say golden booking code no wiki bia omudi aba omudi share ni simple code no omudi amount no emfa bi nka ho enye bi frame
okay
twane saa na otwa main twa manim bro 50 cedis and then the stake minimum amount for betway no so twane saa
okay
and this drew within 50 cedis are they kona emra so yankopon ya adam na wodi wo bet na using sa golden booking code na sikani no mde bema so when the bet na usike bia odi try bia no which is less than 50 cedis and as exactly 50 cedis on be refund the amount
okay
bet we nkwa na esa de we o say odi ono aye code na ma bra betwa otwa na odi a olala when dia don't worry obetu scan the amount to pay we ya na sebe we ye ni brefo
no cray
ana weni enso ade nipa ne nso ade so de
oye by 4 bar
exactly into a betway golden booking code na end the game no end the game
and the Black Stars Madagascar
me bought player back with the
player to score.
There be and the game no. Nipe is in a betty so. As a stands in the Black Stars.
Kwakumi Judy.
Yeah, immediate future no. Is see Andre Ayew na betty so.
Sir,
me can't chiro.
Did you?
Yeah, be kwa afcon ya no. Empire bia was a gun and bia born say. Empire say Andre Ayew be fit one. Andre Ayew be sharp or be discover the form. One say what nefi afen when your club le hof. If Andre Ayew were in a top shape, no form wa afcon no ebe ko yamaye.
Sir,
and it starts with end the game no.
Kwakumenya daja ma o na
ejina ne so
wremu se yem kura ne
we
ye gidie koso
ye wremu nko bebia mpa Andre Ayew ho.
Sir,
me na me kame de chirawo.
Sir,
no be your de Andre Ayew. And empire bi obi abobi ejina ne so.
Ya mo mfa ne so.
Empire bi obi abo about the Blasters bi an engine Andre Ayew so. Me kame de chirawo. And the game no. Emu be ye den. Na de obeme mu ago no. Ana mabo ne din ba ko ya chirawo.
Dede Ayew.
Andre Ayew.
Me da say me ba me dam ho aba. Ye ba ye the first draw. Ebe to aso de am high Sompa 93.1 FM so live on Sompa TV full time. And ye brown ye die ho ye ba. Ye de akanya be to aso de am.
Stand to win your share of up to 10 million Ghana cedis in prizes with Betway's Scratch and Win. You can earn your first scratch card by playing table games, slots, or quick games. Scratch and reveal a range of exciting prizes from smartphones to fuel vouchers and more. Visit www.betway.com.gh. Terms and conditions apply. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Bet responsibly. Betway. Bet your way.
Sompa Achadie. Yaba. Sompa Achadie. 2023. Bible say, Nyame Sompa Pani say, Ubi Kongu Nyanka, any Rusiamo, and Utina Sompa, 93.1 Kumase, Sompa, 90.7 Nkransa, Sompa, 98.9 Sunyane, Yakabom, Sebronye, Yabema Enisia, any Akrafo, Editi, na Yankuayetini, Adisa Obebuayen, and to say Sika, Fatua Matrufoiso, 0598 559802, meeting beam 0598 559802, a dear hospital 1 media, Brana Bosone, Nina Toswent Yuba, Ko, Nibeboja Trada, Nadia Mutu Timoyeno, Yadiama Ekraf. Some profile dia mulher. Olha que bom que somos só eu fiz dia mulher já. Te sei bem sita. Não sei como fazer para for. Enyanka, enibon. O milibie. Já me conhece. O milibie. Eu me vi feio. So what you fema mana so. Everybody will Islam. Bible see you platform. Everybody will be Islam. So we platform. Everybody Islam one Apapam so be mukese ba amen. Na yesika na yentuma so a wobetimi de aba. Afenso say niema bi ansa ye. Ti say mo ene yanwa so a yebeji. Mo amu ye bi afie twemu no. Emu adanse de de. Mo amunnim. Sompa achede 2023. Abusuafo yafa ye ho hyem na propose prepare obodu ponko mu. Ye nyankopon obi ye wiye. Sompa achede 2023. Ekunafo ene enyanka ne so. Wo mu petiti.
Hey, Sewa, me watch you. Me nanu me bisa cry so kwa brochu.
Kwaku, afraid I'm in the call. Then cut our cranny.
Hey, any me connection man for den go for secret when you tell the musano.
Oh, I suppose Express Group adalmenti akwenti wire for opese otu kwan kosua dia Express Group do be call mind to say Canada, US, Australia, UK, and Germany. Say a tour na say visiting so Express Group do be call Dubai, Canada, US, Australia, and Germany. Mo am pese mo tu kwan koye adwuma nso obetimi de wako Dubai, Qatar, and South Korea. If you also want to take international tests like SAT, IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, they can help you pass easily. They can also help you secure a good job in the UK. You should make sure you Kumasi Asafo Labor roundabout Accra and so Omo Carnation First Light, Tama Omo Community 18 Lashabi Girl Filling Station. For more Ahmad show for ISO 055-555-0067 and 0249-000448.
The ones that now from toothbrush no. Why and toothbrush no. You Ashford. Nah, you Ashford dear. That's so evident to know it. Who that the evidence by? I don't need Ashford toothbrush. Oh, sweetheart. Ashford toothbrushes no. You want different types. She abena de ya mokubi. Ashford Princess. And now bra could you dear so Ashford Galaxy. Would you na ira no so Ashford Evident. Media so Ashford Executive. And now my media no so Ashford Friendly. That Ashford toothbrush my dear, Ashford toothbrushes are who do dear. Papa, moto. Me to me, bro, do me here, Danny Bia, Ashford Prince, Ashford Princess, Ashford Friendly, Ashford Evident, Ashford Executive, near Ashford Galaxy toothbrushes. Feeble Ventures now call Faber Dasso. It's a 0241 545 646 and 0200 600 934. Ashford toothbrushes. They were so winning.
November to remember. So we have food for thought near November. Our faith anniversary and the Liberty Conference. November edition. Ultimate new free. Oh my, you are Edubuache. And we April. On Yamia Manitumi. Our food for thought to 14 November. Liberty Conference. Pass on Yamini Muadini. And Fishan. Samoa Yakasa. Yifri Yohani Adi. Set Yolubako. Chichemusia. Revelation chapter 21. Verse 6. Or say, it is down. Jimadiana Babasu Kuma Jubilee Park. And no pan no watch 25th November. I am in Atu Ora SK Ora Kwakujes Efe Gray Sandy Asari and a resident minister Kwame Chetu Pato Chum Amanyame Ukro Otifia Yadi Metaphor 25th November Liberty Conference na Onyankro Pontry as the Kusach Kankania or Danis Obish no Bakachino say it is done. Oh glory, glory, glory.
Right, yes, Sam Wakwa about Sompa 93.1 FM. So live on Sompa TV full time. And ye de bro prem to brand sorry so 12. Na ye be sorry ya channel so send ne ye die ye Black Stars da. Na said ya bon dewra catch you bia say ye take it. O de ne say also be ko no support to the Black Stars 2026, you know. Walk up, you be kubia, a chassis ne. Eluntino, and ne Black Stars, ne no chino, you guswa ye chosika. Na some pesika promotion, ye jedra. First draw no, and ye de ebe, masa munchimame, munchimame na, munfa draw ni enche, na bibia ye 1,000 Ghana cedis draw na ekono. Mun capture mame no bia musampa, adena ne ro kona, draw na. Number 1 be the lucky winner. Lucky winner no why ne benya ha dena ne guso ko Sompa sika promotion 1,000 Ghana cedi ye chance see ai lucky winner ne kwa ma why lucky winner 1,000 Ghana 0245 992 the last 3 figures no ye de te ha ye de te enti wo a wudi ya ne de samra alert na ba jangwengwen a good phone see ai number no mon friend na yantwe ni pakro sesi ya no on confirm my 1,000 sikana ba 0245 982 alas 0245 992 okay 0245 992 wow number no na se bibia ye kama eno yo Sompa sika promotion no se menwie maybe sorry ya be san ya chebi you better search another 1,000 Ghana cedis, 10 million ye be sorry ye be se ache enti o opportunity so betimi ase atwa utwa ba ku bi 5 series enti mo na utwa ne bebre na wo numbers no dosu wo mu mo na utwa no na wo numbers no eso dosu sa na bibia eso aye kama mo na utwa no na bibia aye kama na manya opanyini kese pa ofia ha ya nkase ya de nyina fifi teki ofia on Black Stars bobo kumase na se fifi ama waba homa no so mon freni en hwe se scan on nsaka because amre dem samre obose baby 1,000 Ghana cedis 10 million ano pay dumienu moye 12 moye ne ho aye de hey won kwanko because 5 cedis wo de 1,000 Ghana cedis gram bianye kama mami acknowledge boss na me mana kwaba senior good morning Bacho boko die
nyame adom bibia boko monzo
nyame adom yekrokra ma Black Stars game na yegusu a ye ho toto ya ebo ho dawuru se Ghana ni Kumase ye japade e wona ye Black Stars into this the time I was ye nyina ekoshik baba yarama because ye demanded from boys and say e was so omo ehema ya de was ye so ye say was ye kwota omachi ne ye dede because omo free time no mu ba no mbetwe bonkum nifa na stadium aye mana dede na omu ni bibia so 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 semaye
enkranhye pi se omu ra stadium no mu hu
boss mba cho ma me nkona memfa ye wina na hello yes sir good morning da una wudi Sompa sika promotion no
baba cho me fa me nyan cheke
oh ene check on phone say see am here wona wadi sa wutwa bi utwa say utwa say 25 cities yes and you wadi 1,000 Ghana cedis in a check on phone so why now so what fine you name okay the check on phone say see alert na ba okay akwa fa no boss bacho you say you come back to business Black Stars in Madagascar ene ene dena yan hwe no free boys no ho na dena supporters also mo ye edima players no
medical achia with TFO nyina na madam wase se de bia me ba ha mojime wakwampa so a metimi ebe menimi ye kakra no me de betudwa na ye bompa se ene game na ye be no ye starting World Cup qualifiers na
yes
ene na starting World Cup qualifiers no nti players in the bibiri dodo na nim say a lot of people no omo livelihood depending on this game no so
okay
because yen bibiri pese ye ko America
ti players na
enimsa yentimi anko America ye say ye ko Canada
yes
yentimi anko Canada ye say yentimi ko Mexico enti wa yentimi anko Canada no nya Mexico kwa obefa na saa na so ko nya Canada obefa na saa ni nyina nso ben US
yeah
enti minum yenu nim dia
some passports
ye fa ho no me betimi dia ye enti yen livelihood depending on game we pa enti mestre say they happen wo US yene US ni Mexico game no it belongs to the past enti they should come to the stadium in their numbers to support the team you per se World Cup ni bidia 2026 World Cup ni bidia this is the time so one bambe supported team no na the team na nya dia then unso subo no bi subo bi
okay
ananya sana
ka subo no
enti this is the time I say omo stadium no senia omo anya de bia no yeni Central African Republic which our crowd no was massive
yes
yeni Angola was massive as well. Nigeria the end can cry because I don't think that any spectator will rival the Ghana versus Nigeria game the last maybe 25 years.
Yeah.
And of course, yes. I don't think so. I don't think so at all. I mean, it's arguable.
But Nigeria at the end, they massive
Nigeria game, no.
Because so one stadium crowd,
Baba Stadium, no, 45,000, right? But I'm sure on that day, no, yeah, stadium, there were more than 60,000.
Oh yeah,
we're more than 60,000. So okay, I don't even want to go there. It's okay. I mean, let's not even go there. So yeah, Bompai say the fans will come in their numbers. Senior Maya and the Biano, because this is the time we need them to rally behind the team so that we can go to US, Mexico, and Canada. So when you have US, when you US now call Canada, Esiwa. Na so nyame wa dom na se wo de kofa Mexico nso a.
O na so duru kura wi.
Sa.
Wo duru wi.
Enti yenyina ye pese be ko bi. So my 2 games na ye boy no wo nkrofo be ka se oh
ye mane mu ya ba
na ye boy na bu ya ba mu nti ye mba stadium na ade. We need them at the stadium no to ginger the boys up. Mo yen fans no they hwehwe 3 points.
Yeah.
Na nya 3 points ni we a ye call Comoros. Na say nya 3 points wo hon so a afi na group no
ya sas
ya be lead group no afi na ya relax kakra na ya hwe ya monitor other games no na ya mop up strategy for the next qualifiers.
Okay.
Inti first and foremost, your best fans no come to the stadium in their numbers and they hear them pa.
Okay.
And boys no it some crowd now. They don't have anything to give back to the fans apart from winning.
Yeah.
They be America say winning for the boys, they needed more than anybody else. Omomu here win saying ubia intimidation sure say omba kwako jina park no so na say
okay
minjin this yeah. But sometimes they be na your expectations now so as fans there yende they be a say win hook or crook we have to win. Inti first and foremost you best stress the fans to because stadium or normal support the team, you know, so that your qualifications, you know, will be easier for us.
Fima o Brennan Tino me sara new baby now kona minim sa o ben players ne pa ye ka fifi tekia nenim Jordan you in dede you o ben wo mo ahead of side game we no players o mood no say city.
Oh, mood no there. I mean you can even tell from the video you played from the stadium and last training section. The moment they leave the stadium, activate different mood, and that mood is focus for any game. You know, I'm sure when you go to the hotel around this time now, you will not see any player walking around. It tells you say the focus no is on the game.
Okay.
Or a player we are done for crana, you will not even talk to you. You know, or me will send you a message. I will reply around this time because I'm focused. You know, I will be sending a message. I will reply the person. Will be free or call or answer because we mood now. They we're different.
Yeah.
But we Pierre Bontin there what mean be heading come on baby. So I'm mood they are very focused. They are poised up. They are looking forward to today's game, and we need that win to secure our qualification, you know. Because format na kakra. We need to win convincingly, not exactly, but for me the win be a win. If we even get a slim win now, it will put us in a pedestal. Be a comfortable kakra, so that the next games, you know, it will be easier for us. So with the World Cup qualifiers, nature did there. Would the should be brave? Say no strategy now a different strategy altogether. Home games is a must win for you.
Yeah.
Most of the time home games is a must win for you. Nyamia don't say okwa away na say okonya you draw here now. But your home game you have to win.
Okay. Yabeda say wo bra unya ya dane da oba so a utimi ba na obesraye na obehye with knowledge kakra was ene yankopon kan pa e fifi taking na yene no edin komo no Black Stars game na en waba so de Sompa wa ma me ka bibi amfa nche ya hwefo ne atiefo se wasa kapoma na wanwam no ana wofufu na wamu pa na obeda no wankoto antwa yie ma me nko Michael akomia so game na nkasa 4 p.m. na baso
and I mean one intense training where players in the level of commitment how am I eager to impress heard the full setup no ne o my heard the muso meet master game na I'm sure we have a lot of options to deal with when it comes to selection of players at this stage na me also hear local players in the week akra more commitment with training grounds in other day. Now her medium left back
Sompa Sports.
Hamidu solid. Then goalkeepers no Jojo Walacott good shape, Richard Ofori good shape, Lawrence Atizigi good shape. Meji 2 years at the back line you have so much experience. Nicholas Woho, then Obabenya Danalamati. I also Bema that needed experience. Gideon Mensah is the Dennis Wado Swaba. And I was so happy to see him back in the national team after say your experience in doing the double header for that Nigeria game. Prof no. Waba back and then not training who na can there was so. They allude say do. Allude and is good.
And Ebasa am a competition about team.
And definitely they will need to put in a performance to say the bear or Mode Bema Ghanaians for what I say they could see USA games in the Mexico games in the name.
Because who can allude or can Prof or as a right back
on Gideon Mensah Sone Hamidu Beche left no. Then Amate will move Gideon Nicolas Opokumo added enough experience within this particular setup. Obeshe Abdul Mumin, who has had a fantastic season in the Spanish La Liga.
Sompa Sports.
But definitely, me sure saying the next collapse, he will be around and make sure saying so we had the options we have as a national team as a whole, playing these qualifiers now. A must win and 6 points be also in Setimika. Group in him. Meaning football movie akon anymore Africa. And they said their boy city akon anymore. So who boot him? A man dreams will beat him because now you who Lesotho in Nigeria. It should be. Yeah. A lot of games. Even and I'm here one particular game be an Amishimika can maybe who say Africa football, most of the small nations in Africa, Botswana and Mozambique. The level of intensity of those teams, two teams in the ball. And Botswana Tifina Mozambique Osheno 3-2. So Oshe how
and says even crowd now work Super Eagles. So first qualifier.
Yes.
Na team like Lesotho.
But you see, Sadia Nintina na e mame pene mene Mike ya adwene wo se supporters in Nko Stadium Nko Twim Menko mo they did a lot of things. Couldn't be Nigeria and Kasano 20 minutes before the game. They were charging 1,000 naira for a ticket. 1,000 naira and they 40 cedis to 15 cedis. Supporters in this So you look at the atmosphere. So imagine ke packed said the Nigeria and Ghana boy na Kalesu to be survive. Or the Lutawa for any tunyo maybe. E to be an players no mabembu o who supporters ni bi no mu ni honom do na mabembu.
Oh yes.
Nigeria. Ghana has a better team than Nigeria.
Upon all their stars.
You are talking about
players.
I'm talking about the team.
Okay.
Omo arguably the best strike force in Africa.
Boniface
on do baby.
Osimhen more.
Osimhen. Fine, member recognition because of the other Napoli. Then Omo second grade strikers be to say Taiwa Woni. Victor Boniface, Olayin Kamokradi Omon Counters, Paulo Noachu back to form, Oshema Trabzonspor. So almost strike force in the day, arguably the best on the continent. But in terms of team, Nigeria will form pa. Omo form pa. And we should take pride in the fact that any team they build, but still, you was Rossi Omo.
Okay.
I hope you get it. And I come here about the attendance, the fans. If we are guaranteed that Ejumani are 40%,
you cry.
Say and the stadium here full. Yeah, 40% Ejumano in terms of getting a win. You see, I think Yebele Foundation for our bid to qualify for the World Cup. The first game, the foundation. Oyana foundation is stronger. Then you build up in terms of point. Or add it to the all one. And nothing beats any foundation I'll be set it than a solid pillar a win, which gives you 3 points. A dynasty in Sifap Papa Soa, a Jurigo. Yes. If your campaign to qualify for 2026 and it's a Bemu, it starts from our first game. So Mecca say theoretically, we bear your most difficult game in the qualifying process.
Say first game in Tiana.
Yep, we are coming into this game on the back of 2 disappointing results against Mexico, against USA. Now there is a need and then an urgency on the part of the team to make amends and then atone to Ghanaian people. And they say, oh, Yakobo game where Ankoye, so there's the atonement. Yeah, paper BBR. Then we are moving on. So they are playing this game not just to win and get the 3 points, but also to win back attention and then entire support from Ghana for. Okay. Then also ginger the mood and whet the appetite ahead of AFCON. In the end the game, no. One, the foundation for the World Cup qualification process. 2, an atonement for disappointing results. And 3, to spice up the mood ahead of AFCON. And players, they know these things more than any because at times there is this make believe say, oh, players actually and shut down found say Luther say, oh yeah, student now transfer na de be a beba no area. Will you be less concerned than no mommy and our papa? Good. Mommy and papa, but not to the extent of because when anyone was a neighbor or Agasa. Yakas were born, Yankas or Mammy, Yankas or Papa bon. Yakas I crowd they were born papa. So the players also feel it. Some people say a true good 10 times for years to say, oh, we're the winning ball, no more life. They see some of these things. And mostly, I am the strong minded personalities a woman, they always love to bounce back and give a reaction, and that reaction will always be given on the field. My reaction, I my kasa or TV so radio so. On any reaction, no, the obey park in so and then no, and surprising say some of these players you be who almost say or more beyond their usual way now more it is because they want to react. Things will work well for us if we get that positive reaction from certain key elements or key members in the team. It will work in our favor. But what I want to see in entirety, a team with a solid work ethic. There's a park in this one. There was also tackle. There also okonim true maker or true maker. There also oyena femu there wago pramane subiano or yene there. We should see that collective thing. Enye juma ewo park in this one. And enya semwa anka Madagascar there. And Kenya be pa yen hurintrao. Madagascar shouldn't be a hurdler, difficult to scale, but a semuntia. Na aya semuninti no. Ye be dani asem no. Okay. And see dani asem na kwan ben so ne first one dani no. Is on the field of play. The coach, he has a lot to prove.
Chris Wooten.
Intimate sure say meticulously in the preparation for this game, no, he will not leave any stone unturned. Obey bia because they did that a year way so. On the media platforms, discussions have been about him.
Yes.
We as a watch a ticket now be a phone line. One cast supporter named Renadrion. Baba Kofer coach no onya.
Even the underlying wedding class were born.
Good. Now this is a man people clamored for. Almost every Ghanaian play football biano. Now the average Ghanaian sees that coach nepa ni team name. You think he would not want to prove? He wants to. Tinkoma me diko nyinano make us almost every person, single individual bia or team biano, every single person biano, they have something to prove. And if that is well demonstrated on the pitch today from 4 p.m., Madagascar will be no match. But a return to previous we mu nye ye no no phone I say kokwasa ye ya eno na ede o a ne bebre ne beba no
eno am pese me ba so say azum say eduba bi na okonu ma ye dina some section of fans aya na omo tennis on be ehu players ni bi no.
No, that is a no
they see last time ye man nso
no player ano show national team jersey a uhuro no yenye sade no. You can have your disagreements and na ball no. You see the interesting part ne say aya na say ye ne de ye hwe no sa pepe na tio but your perspectives and your observation obia ne angle me ebia the way I see hwe ball no. I don't look out for dribbles. I look out for the silent operators, the smooth ones, the schemers in the team.
Sompa Sports.
Inti bi a babo ball na wie na Pedro. Wa shebe 2 goals. Yes, Pedro there. Oh, to be 20 no. But edwuma ne kese no. Na Busquets na ye. Maybe I belong to that school. Say me hwe ball na. I love to highlight the unsung heroes. Omo performance no enye so loud, but it was so phenomenal. Bono boy wa nye gidi entru mi kan wa nkom wo park ne so. But interventions ne de oye wo park ne so no. Eno na boa ma de oye gidi no otimi ye de oye. Some of us we see football that way. Obi so de na ohwe na player we de ontru mi kan on na am hosa oye den. So yanti asie say ya drain ni yenina ye de hwe ball no. Obia de enko.
Okay.
And the beauty of it all is say sad differences ni na no be mergia and a mere kabom na ye complete. So don't insult a player based on your perspective or your viewing angle. Oh yes sir, you have been unfair to the player. One, you have insulted Ghana money in I say omujitum say player name base no man name say ye nim ye. So if you see from your viewing angle, perhaps you can express your own disappointment and Kaminyanka player when you see. But say escalate could say me role player who are. I think that you are there for the wrong purpose. No, you are there for the wrong purpose. Me sure say nipaku omo be yes no. They came there with that particular mindset.
Okay.
And yes a player no, and yes a player now mobile. Oh. They came there with that mindset. Say, assume see and they be doing it.
Oh yes.
So they did not come with the neutral mindset. Say football fans, ye ba betai ye teamechi, and a player neighbor boy unko into mube huruno. No ma prepared that, and these things they do happen. So look at the memeka ko we say, a jumane de ye betimia ye ni ye. Basi ye jitum se e wasi ye re ye ho, e wasi ye keka ye ho, e wasi ye tu anamona. Nyoma beko ye di amaye ende no won say na me se me ni akomia nya adwen kakra abro ka say ope a good performance and a convincing win me onim bi me hia ende
dabi o
see e be pon game na Ghana wini
eno ne hia
e kwan yo mbe fa so mo be wini no eno ye be di san common later kwan yo mo fa so mo wini ye no
da se o ma me awo ne yesu nua no no
ene what I want to see. And they say there will be a delivery, a safe delivery of a baby. So baby near 3 point. So bani chimio say a pie no say any day yo. They meet Diana saying nge yejuma.
Inshallah.
Exactly. Inti and that's what Baba. Yene Baba was stadium. Me come me chireo.
Ibi suba ka chireo ha o.
Man say wa wasema.
Oh.
Baba.
Akumya.
Oh,
sorry, so
another key senior players within the setup. This moment I will expect to say senior players no ebe pelio momoni boom and be lead by example. Mekai yebo qualifiers for the World Cup. Ye drew moment be ewo ye matches na na yebo no. Emma ye kopeke draw against Ethiopia or South Africa. Oshe mood of the boys no. Na okwa dressing room who heard the statement that you making the dressing room catch on say wow wouldn't say untimi en qualify now wow what you say yet qualify biana and a sign you need such mentality within this particular dressing room say starting the World Cup qualifiers. Amate knows the importance of playing at the World Cup. Jordan knows it. The day you cried about both 2010 wow they are so qualifying for the World Cup and making sure so you start on a good note. A very very positive. Akuye Ede Amagana Air Black Stars. Now another Luther Semesha your lineup no me sure. Say and from training no menka say and no confirm.
Okay.
Menka say and no confirm. But from training no nyoma ne bi omda yeso ye betimi as analyst ye betimi project say probable lineup ye betimi dead no. Changes bebem kra enhye na nye bebre no. Ye be hunu say atizigi betimi da post ni me dia maye ne.
Okay.
Atizigi betimi da post me da Gideon Mensah the left back one dey me say
that's looking at about 3 goalkeepers or more comes this year. Atizigi
Atizigi from the World Cup Babisi Samrin there's a level of consistency.
Sompa Sports.
So na demwa.
Ma won say bi so advocate say ma Richard Ofori so na.
Richard Ofori a very good goalkeeper do, but the consistency Atizigi enyan within the last few months and he's not the worst player within the setup cra. Say
because Madagascar for me show you.
On say their positions warranty be a change within this particular Blasters team. I don't think the goalkeeper position warranty a change as a stance when it comes to
Atizigi so journey complete. No guarantee to wait me start na.
And make us say because Atizigi make it part of within this particular team because of the consistency he has had the team for the past months. Your position is be on my entire sound 50 and we don't do that.
But Edu Sana per the Springbok can also no man can keep so team creative confusion team more. Yes. Because say be reason our the my tell back complete.
Atizigi you're right.
Team Biani you're rank. Now players nankasa no mutesa dey we ase.
Simple.
Wo anchen a different man. Say ye na ye wo team nim no mejitum. Say akomia nim ball bossing me. And he said, 2 days kwana akomia dey training na minim say akomia rank ne pedigree wo team ne was rosemia. Membe ma ebufu ma na kasa bia amba because coach na selecting no so obey training 2 days pe. Na team na has almost training for how many days? The point I am making akomia making this one say interestingly that department na omo it is a department that rarely sees change unless there is a serious injury and that's a glaring loss of form. Say player na fit and the form no ashikra yentan sesa. So no a case a boy Atizigi and selection criteria bia ne a selection process bia no luta sports ebe boa bi emboa bi ebe favor bi favor bi. So we a national team goalkeeper near Freo Sebra for these 2 assignments, 1 against Madagascar and then 2 against a year we are Comoros. Many say Obet no one was one so both because they are selected Atizigi. Oh yes, sir, you are being selfish.
Okay.
So a smooth process. Kiman, be
Alu Disedu experience within the team.
I Springbok.
Atizigi is the only time in the goalkeeping department in said as an intent. But she can't the Chris Wooten any action Chris Wooten I take you within the team. Ubeka say and obey change Atizigi or the different goalkeeper by them because the last time any Angola ball Salis a report to a complete. Salis the best defensive midfielder in the team now. Or Benchino Yusu Edmonado on the day. Oh, Baba,
Sompa Sports arrival late.
Arrival late, no.
Until why set aside in the
yes. Pen actions are taking within the team. No, and a bit me a chair say, obey me a benche Atizigi. No, they were like Otaba. But Sabana said, no, Cressy, goalkeeping department and said, I change your Muntamo dia. And Atizigi Napoli.
And Rana corner free kicks. Penalties. Nina never Atizigi side. corner, free kicks, set piece, Nina Tizigi, sa. But we moving on from that. Gideon Mensah, another experienced player. Hamidu Abo against Liberia.
Abu Dhabi defender.
But I think say Gideon Mensah have paid his dues for the national team enough. Say Baba Rahman you want ma on ni see a kind of trainer like Lutz on best at war. Then Ubenya Lidu Sedu number 2. 4 and 5 Nicholas. Experience with this particular national team. Amati cry the main canasa because Amati captains leaders a team.
Sompa Sports.
So Amate effect in Kwade, Amate is going to play against Nicholas. Even if there is going to be a pairing with another player, Amate will be there. Yeah, pairing with him because of the level of experience he carries.
Okay.
If you know because there's no Thomas Day party. They tried Monadone Salis and she down faggy and she there a lot of fluid movement and the passes from that particular midfield combo. I say too static and rigid. It is from the training in your man here in I'm a bit more 3-man midfield. Aye. You bet me a call 4-3-3. Sa 3 ne bet my own fini bet my Majida Shimeru, Salis, and Mohammed Kudus.
Now any more swap for
any more. He say Antoine Semenyo make a case for himself because of a new man or year from the bench in the deba. Inaki Williams still now said I'm PK I've said you Sompa Sports. Then over here Osman Bukari Nyoma Waye. Jordan is a key starter up front for us. But you see a baby issue ni be wo paye Inaki ni Semenyo. Joseph Peso have also made a case for himself for the other wings. It's Jordan, Joseph Peso up front no Inaki ni Semenyo. Let me say still na incommodity data one. Moheni probably must start a game no at the Amity. This is a probable lineup from the training I crochet and Nico Dine. And yet I yen Saka from the Black Stars official. Say Omodia is officially winning lineup per best starting. But from training what we saw, players in the commitment per position. Players are not more available. Or my G2 years training each say likely so much about these particular positions. And yet they are two anymore.
Mate. Akumia me da se ma menya me second draw no ana me nkoche ticket aka se no se mesan aba be che ticket na wanya bia kwa akohwe Black Stars game ni bi na draw no mesan be che 1000 Ghana cedis o entity no okọ asori dem ne ye bo afọ this going 1 going 2 going 3 say mo so na ye nhwe nipa obe lucky obe wini 10 million or 1,000 Ghana cedis no draw no neguswa econo Sompa sika promotion ye jedwa se obi bomb payesa 0547 100 0547 100 3 digits na ya ye de te entisamre de wadi no no yes, you go so twen mo hweda mo twen ma me yes ye chana wabetima frɛ na ye de take it no ye ba be che take it ne kakra coach so afina coach so ba be piem wa coach name aba Christopher no Manchester United
Mejai
oh Waja United
Mejai
no na ka say shake
Mejai say shake
kan ton tadi nyina no
shake and tot team no enti Mejai
oh coach
oh na unti e mo say unti shake and tot team no enti Mejai. Yes, I can no longer subject myself to torture under the glazes.
Coach, Mamin Chow by 6 minutes.
That's right.
Now for Black Stars in Mama Mikakra. And 4 p.m. big game near Tuga. Yabeko 2026
yeah, let me say it's a must-win game. It's a game we should win because we need to start very, very well. Your group, to me, a Malifono, a team we cannot afford to give any form of advantage to. Because a Malifono, any form of advantage, be disastrous. Who share some permutations na yena. Your last game will be against Mali here in Kumasi.
Okay.
You don't want that game to be
the decider,
the determining factor. Ni papa moi, a bedroom sa game no.
Not already qualified.
We are in the States. It's a World Cup that means a lot to the people of this country.
Players are aware, sir.
They should be made aware. because their commitment level has been suspect, highly questionable. They are only interested in the money. I will say this without taking it back. Meka asanka until say or me proving me wrong. I think they are playing for the money because we don't see the desire, the commitment level are typical of a Ghanaian. They be meka me some of mine, but some of us are serving Mother Ghana indirectly. The day we'll be given the position to serve this country directly, and you see the level of commitment. It's about Ghana, it's not about self. Because in recent times, America, two very shambolic performances on the part of these boys. But at the end of those two games, each of them took home $10,000. They never returned the money back. They took the money. Yet Ketokrakun, the minister, they've not told us how much money they made from those two tournaments, from those two games in the States. I can state emphatically that they made money. You take the Blasters to go and play the United States of America for no benefit. We didn't arrange for that game. Through an agent. So there was monetary gains. I repeat. They should tell me what I'm saying is not true. Would the players corner some Boboni Trasa and at the end of the day per game $5,000? How much do you make? In 180 minutes, they took home $10,000 each. So we want to see that level of commitment. The coaching staff being led by your friend saying Chris Hutton, surely they have to do better. Me, I've not been impressed. So who they were impressed there and me, and I'm sure the majority of the people of this country no.
Coach, me so mame enya me confirmation bi bra me che sika bi sesi ya.
Na go dey.
Ma che obi 1,000 Ghana cedis na mame musa ni pakra na nsa kan. Hale.
You can win this incredible trip.
Hey, mon check mo number answer. Why? On fire, why? Coach Mbacho ye ni enkomo.
Ono me che no. Enti nya me kan say. Inne. Babayara. No sluggish performance will go unnoticed.
Coach, you have team no na ba form. I see any team Madagascar be boy, you sheye. An African football is a country be hunbo.
Obia hunbo. Be yensu esan say yanye nyama yana ye guso yenyama ense fata if I team we are not climbing the way we should be climbing. And the any Madagascar koboa. Look, just yesterday, the Super Eagles couldn't beat Lesotho in Nigeria. Good coaching staff, good playing body, filled with truthful, honest selection of players on more form. Why is Jeffrey Schlupp not in this team? The great Lionel Messi, the greatest of all time in modern era. Argentina. What did the people of Argentina do? Through hierarchy,
yes,
they went to the man. Look, Argentina clearly would have never won the World Cup without Messi. We watched it.
Yes.
We saw his impact. Take him out of that team, they are an ordinary team with no teeth to bite. So the people, through the FA, through the president of the land, who saw the need. We don't have Messi, we don't need them. Seven previous. Omo mujiji AFCON omo Messi ni Ronaldo. It's so much. They've been winning it. All you need to do is to unify your team, put aside your selfish gain, and be honest and sincere with selection of players into our national team. Hey, I don't know why JC is not in this team. I don't know why Alfred Duncan he has said he won't play again. Should we allow him to go? Or be our regular football week in, week out in the Italian Serie A for Fiorentina regularly? Why is Jeffrey Schlupp not in this team? Why is Tepete not in this team? These are our best players? Alongside Kudus, Ashimero, Sompa. Every good team is built on depth. And the Sawa team, now say, where from now Yamishishiwa, not just said there's no quality in depth in the team. And that is what the Black Stars has become. In that Thomas Partey, we don't know the sort of midfield who's going to show up. Those days, Pablo Alba, Kevin Prince Boateng, Michael Essien, Ali Muntari, Dede Ayew, Ajuman Bedu. We went to Angola with Michael Essien played only one game. Again, we even lost on the ball second half. There was no Muntari. There was no Stephen Appiah. But we had the likes of Kodjo Asamoah, Anthony Anna, Ajuman Bedu, Numunadiate. We played because we had depth, we had quality. And just say, oh, to national team, Nana say, no crane, no fanti, no crane, proper selection. Look, we are sitting on time bomb waiting to explode. When I'm a cow, say Coach Nimley, I'm always overly critical. Look, the Ghanaianness in me will not allow me to see somebody be untruthful and keep quiet.
Coach, Achina say Achina de fia de besi benya si na after the game Achina ba betena say na yenya da jawura game de koye say koyi sankoyi ne bompa se ne ebe koyi dia my coach Christopher Nimley na ba no sompa ye ne dia sompa ni fie na ma me nche me obe 4 minutes ma me fa nche ticket na and the stadium so entimya kama betima frɛ o frɛ ba so na se ama ticket na bia ye kama 0551 931 931 0548 931 931 hale.
Good afternoon.
Yes, I would do.
We didn't be Frank Sapon.
Mike, okay, so free. Hey. Me that say, Brabeji take, yeah, you take it by man. Hale. Hale.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Would you be out free?
Your friend Daniel, make us a free report.
Danny, oh, cost stadium ne.
Me di mudin de.
Me pacho, ye we ya friend, and you take it. Why?
Hello.
Hale.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Would you be out free?
Make us a free this.
But who will take it for Black Stars game? Why? Okay. Hale.
Hello. Hello. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, boss.
My name is Kunadu Peter.
Kunadu. Calling from where?
Asante Vijasi.
Okay. Yeah, we'll take it already. Hale.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Femi Bafuchi. Make us a free Asafo.
Oh, Kasa free.
Asafo.
Okay, baby, we'll take it now. I ready upon your own say, why?